if you want to eject SIM tray from Google Pixel 11, but you don't have the eject tool, you lost it, or just for some reason you cannot use it, then in order to eject the SIM tray that we have here, you can use a couple of different alternatives. Now, the best alternative that you can use is probably a paperclip. So you can try to find a small paperclip. You can unfold one side or one end of that paperclip so that one end is actually straight, and then you can insert it gently into this SIM eject hole over here. And once you do so, then you should be able to press it gently, of course, until the SIM tray pops out. Instead of using a paperclip, you can also try to use an earring post. So you can use like a plain metal stud earring, not a hook or decorative end. And of course, you want to make sure that the post is clean and straight. And you can do exactly the same thing as with the paperclip. You can just insert it into the SIM tray hole and press gently until the SIM tray pops out. In some cases, sewing needle or pin also works, simply because it is thin. Usually it is thin enough so it fits this hole. And if you hold it steady and straight and press straight in, then you should be able to eject the SIM tray. Of course, you want to avoid angled pressure. Try to always press your tool straight in and avoid using angles. Besides that, in some other cases, mechanical pencil tip without the lead works as well. However, it works only on some smartphones. I'm not sure if it's going to work with this one though, so if you do have mechanical pencil tip, you can give it a try, but you want to be careful, because if you have like a plastic tip, then it can break if you apply too much pressure, so you want to be really careful with that. Now, so these are, I think, the best tools that you can use to eject the SIM tray in case you don't have the SIM eject tool. Now, if you're wondering what you should not use, then the list is, well, I guess almost everything else, but essentially you don't want to use like toothpicks or wooden sticks. Anything wooden in general doesn't really work because you can break it off easily. And of course, you don't really want to leave something inside that hole. Later on, it's going to be very, very difficult to remove it. Safety pins with rounded ends won't work. Screws or nails, they are not going to work as well. And anything thick or blunt is probably not going to work either. So essentially, you're looking something thin enough that it fits this hole, something straight, so you don't use angled pressure, and something sturdy, so that if you apply that pressure, it doesn't break. And I guess the paperclip is still going to be the best option. And once you have your tool, like I said, just put it into this hole over here, and then you can just push it into the phone with that a little bit of pressure, with that gentle pressure over here, and then once it pops out slightly, you should be able to use your fingernails or fingers to remove it completely from the phone. Then of course you can insert your SIM card and then just push it back in with your finger. And actually something that I didn't do, but it is also recommended to do, you probably want to turn off your phone before you try to open the SIM tray, just to make sure. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.